Well, hello. Thank you for coming to my channel. This is the first time I've used a selfie stick, so bear with me here. It's a little shaky. And what I am doing today is I'm going on a trillium walk. Trilliums are very unusual plants, and before I moved to the Pacific Northwest, I wasn't even aware of what they were. And the first one is right outside our back door, and it seems like it likes this spot, and so every year when I come out at a certain time, this is a trillium. And it's a very unusual plant, and like I said before, I never even saw these until we moved to the Pacific Northwest. And they're apparently fertilized by ants. And here is another one coming up. And they tend to like places like that are cool and shady, and I do not ever see them growing in the sun. So here's another one, and they actually come in different colors. These last two are white, and I have yet to see a purple one this year. Here's another one. This is up in my dahlia garden, and again it's shady and it's cool, and they're somewhat protected by the overgrowth. Here's one kind of hiding near a larkspur for protection. And this one is out in the open. And the reason why trillium are so unusual and special and rare is that they only produce one seed. Each plant only produces one seed, and they typically take up to 7 years to propagate, and as I mentioned, they were propagated by ants. So here's another one right here, and I'll show you one more. They're just beautiful. And part of the reason I even did this walk today is that it seems like they bloom and the blooms are gone. They're either just fade away or they're eaten by deer. These are like little favorite hors d'oeuvres of the deer around here, so I've captured them on video for this year. And trillium obviously is for 3 petals, 3 leaves, 3 petals, 3 flowers, and 3 sepals, the little tiny part in the center.